Good morning everybody and welcome back to Higher Max. We are continuing this vlog series. We are finally on the boat, but today we are in sunny Sicily, and so I'm going to show you like the view of where we're at, and you're going to come along with me today. I'm about to go and get some breakfast. Before we continue with the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, your church group, your study group, the people you go out with, and let's get into this video. I don't know if y'all can see this. We're kind of at the port, so that might not be the cutest part, but there's the city of Sicily, which is pretty cool. It's a bit of an update. We've got my card back, so we thank God. So happy, so grateful. Makes life 100 times easier, especially when I'm about to go back to school, and so at least that is out of the way. And today we're just practically going to do some touring, going around the place. So that's it for now, and when we are doing something exciting or getting off the boat, I will definitely record and show you guys what is going on. Here is our boat. It is really big. It's called the Celebrity Eclipse Edge. Okay everyone, so as I mentioned earlier, we are in Sicily, and some of the views that I will insert now are from when we were going around. Saw Mount Etna, which is one of the oldest active volcanoes, which is kind of crazy that they're still, I don't know why I didn't think that they would, like, people live in a place where there's an active volcano. And now we're in this garden, national garden. I don't know how this whole thing works. We've learned so much history. The fact that there's black sandy beaches here is because of the volcano, and this town, city, Sicily, has been run by Greeks, Romans, anybody that you can imagine has kind of ran this town. I am very hot and sweaty, but it's been really cool. I'm trying to insert as many clips as possible so you can see what we're seeing. Might do a voiceover over them so they can like explain them. And also our ship arrived here around 11:15 and it leaves at 7:30, so our plan is to get back to the boat around 5:30. Hopefully we make it. I forgot to tell everyone the drama that we went through yesterday. We almost literally did not board this boat because we were late, and then there was, our driver was slow, and also there was like a language barrier again, which thank God for Google Translate, because my aunt like would put into Google Translate, please hurry up, and then we had to call the boat. We were literally the last people to get on. Like, in my life I'm so shook, but we were the last people to get on, but we are on, and now we're trying to stay on schedule and stay on point. This dude's living his best life. So just so tired. I don't even know if we're gonna go to all the places we planned on going originally, only because it's so hot. It's hot, but then it's also, I don't know what to call it, humidity, but it's very warm, and so it makes things a bit harder to do. Eating at this cute spot. I don't think eating, but just getting something to snack on. We just finished our tour. We just finished our tour, and now we are heading back to the boat. I'm gonna try and record some of that drive back. Yeah, it was really good. We didn't really do much today. It was very hot, but we're not gonna go back and do some activities. And I will be doing a cruise ship tour, I don't know, kind of video. This is the pool area. It's really a nice area. Oh, people are chilling. And this is one of the entryways. to the magic carpet, which moves. It's a bar that moves. Solarium. This is one of the casinos, and there's more places to play over there, over here. Like, it continues, friends. Here is the rooftop garden. It's like right at the top of the ship, as you can see. And then there's like a restaurant in there. So this is our bathroom over here. I was standing in front of the mirror, but I look like a mess. It's really nice. It really has changed since the last cruise we were on. And then here are the beds, the closet, and then like a couch section here, and then we get to the balcony. I'm still trying to figure out, and there's chairs also. I'm still trying to figure out how to open it. Like, there are these instructions, but I'm nervous. I don't want them to say like I'm, you know, doing something wrong. So hopefully the person who brings our bags will show us. And then here are like the other ships nearby. So yeah, welcome to our room and some emergency boats.